Feeling that knot of anxiety when you think about actually starting an online business? You're not alone. The fear of starting an online business is incredibly common, powerful enough to keep countless brilliant ideas locked inside someone's head. This video is for anyone who feels held back by that hesitation and needs to know how to just begin your online business. We're going to tackle that fear of starting an online business head-on and give you the practical mindset shifts and tiny actions to help you finally take that critical first step towards getting started online business. It's important to understand that the fear of starting an online business is a normal response to the unknown. Maybe it's a fear of launching online business and putting yourself out there, fear of failure, fear of not being good enough, or simply the overwhelming feeling of not knowing where to start. This is often called paralysis by analysis online business seekers experience. Recognizing this fear is the first step to overcoming it. Overcoming the fear of starting in business isn't about eliminating the fear entirely, but learning to act despite it. A crucial part of this is developing an effective online business mindset. Shift your focus from needing to be perfect to committing to progress. Understand that your initial steps will be imperfect, and that is not only okay, it's necessary. Embrace imperfection as part of the learning journey, for any online entrepreneurship fear can delay indefinitely. So, how to just begin online business when the fear feels paralyzing? The secret lies in breaking it down. Forget launching the whole thing tomorrow. What is the absolute smallest action you can take today that moves you just 1 inch closer? This is about taking the very first step online business requires, no matter how small. Here are actionable ways to just begin online business despite the fear. Identify one tiny task. Instead of build a website, make it research one website builder. Instead of find an idea, make it brainstorm 5 problems people have. Pick one task that feels almost too simple to be scary. Set a tiny time limit. Commit just 15 or 30 minutes to that one tiny task. When the time is up, you can stop. This reduces the perceived commitment and makes it less daunting to take the first step online business requires. Focus on learning, not results. Frame your initial actions as learning experiments. You're not trying to get a customer or make money with this first step. You're simply learning something. This takes the pressure off performance and helps counteract the fear of starting online business. Talk to one person. Share your nascent idea with a trusted friend or mentor. Saying it out loud can make it feel more real and less scary. Their feedback can also be a valuable form of online business beginners' mindset support. By focusing on these incredibly small, manageable actions, you start to build momentum. Each tiny step completed is a small win against the fear of starting online business. It proves to yourself that you can take action, even when you feel hesitant. This cumulative effect helps chip away at the fear of launching online business and builds confidence over time. Remember, the biggest obstacle is inertia. The most effective way to combat the fear of starting in business is simply to start. These starting an online business tips, mindset focused, combined with taking tiny actions, are your tools. Confronting the fear of starting online business isn't about being fearless. It's about being brave enough to take one small step forward. By focusing on simply starting with tiny actions, you build the momentum needed to overcome that inertia and move towards building your digital future. If this helps you feel ready to just begin online business despite the fear, please give it a like. Ready to take that very first step online business requires? Subscribe for more insights on online business mindset and getting started online business. What tiny step will you take today to move past the fear of starting an online business? Let me know in the comments below.